Before connecting the floor pipes to the manifold, ensure each loop of pipe has been identified using a permanent marker and that the flow and return is clearly indicated. The pipe flow end must be positioned up and behind the return bar. Select a pipe loop flow end and line it up against the Eurocone connector on the port for that loop, to mark where the pipe is to be cut. Use the Wunda pipe cutters to cut the pipe cleanly and squarely. The freshly cut end of the pipe must now be reamed using the Wunda reamer. Insert the reamer fully into the end of the pipe so that the pipe is in contact with the 3 cutting teeth. Push and turn the reamer clockwise. This will give the pipe a chamfered finish. Ensure any small particles cut from the pipe do not fall into the pipe. Place the threaded pipe connector over the prepared pipe, followed by the olive. You may need to tap the olive onto the pipe. Push pipe insert into the end, ensuring it is fully seated against the end of the pipe. Connect the pipe to the specified port on the manifold hand tight before using a suitable spanner to fully tighten. Repeat the same process for the return pipe onto the lower return bar connections. Systematically lay each circuit of pipe in turn, following the system layout drawing. For further help and advice, use the QR codes provided on your plan or head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.